Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to write a job description for LinkedIn using ChatGPT. So I've got my job posting pulled up right here for a lead generation specialist for my company, Be Remote Consulting, based in the Philippines. It's a remote job. I've already got 25 applicants. So I wrote the entire job description right here using ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same for your hiring and recruiting process. So I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and tell it to write a job description for LinkedIn, looking for a B2B, hiring, let's just say hiring manager, right? For company X. And you can just insert your company name here. So here, it's going to type the entire job description in a few seconds. So Company X is seeking a highly motivated and experienced hiring manager to join our team. In this role, you'll be responsible for leading and executing the full life cycle of recruiting efforts for various departments within the company. This includes developing and implementing recruiting strategies, managing relationships, blah, blah, blah. And then here we've got the key responsibilities. So these are all keywords that are going to be showing up when someone's searching for jobs on LinkedIn. So here we are, utilizing LinkedIn and other recruiting tools to find and attract potential candidates, collaborate with hiring managers, conduct initial screening and interviews, coordinate, blah, blah, blah. And then we've got qualifications. You need to have proven experience as a hiring manager, strong understanding of recruiting best practices, excellent communication, strong attention to detail, blah, 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 blah. So there we go. And then at the end, it says, this is an exciting opportunity to join a rapidly growing company and make a significant impact on our talent acquisition efforts. If you're a highly motivated individual with a track record of success in recruiting, we encourage you to apply. And that's it. So I can show you also the job description that I created right here. This is for Facebook social media manager. As you can see, same thing. It comes up with position, company, location, job description, key responsibilities. These are how most job descriptions are broken down, qualifications. And then it also goes on to say, company is an equal opportunity employer and encourages candidates of all backgrounds to apply, which is amazing. It covers all of the bases for a basic job description. Here's another one. That's for the lead generation specialist at my company. And same thing, position, company, location, remote, job description, key responsibilities, qualifications, and some more detail here as well. And, we can also say, make this job posting more interesting for more applicants. Just see what it comes up with. So there we go. It's already adding some things. See here, it says location, work from anywhere instead of remote, which is also a keyword. I actually like this one even better than what I have right now. So it's more interesting now, as you can see. Are you excited about the opportunity to work remotely and be in control of your schedule? If so, it's looking for you. But basically the same. So once I have the job description, I can simply, copy paste this and then come over here to LinkedIn. In this case, I already have the job posting. But if I wanted to create a new one, I can simply come over to my company page and you can post a job right here. So that's it. So if I click on post a job, it'll open up a new tab where I can fill out all of the information with the specifics of what I'm looking for. So here we are. Find a great hire fast, rated number one, increasing quality of hire. So job description, in this case, maybe I want a social media manager, right? Because for my Facebook page, I'm reaching like 1 million people per week. So let's say I want to hire a social media manager for my photography business. You can say on-site, hybrid, or remote. Let's select remote. And again, Philippines, I want to target because there's a lot of virtual assistants, freelancers in the Philippines. And you can see right here, 29,000 people have similar job titles in this location. So it's going to attract a lot of job applicants quickly. Here's where you can fill out the job type, and then I can just click Start Post right here. For now, I'm not going to do that. I just want to show you how it works. And you can read more about posting jobs on LinkedIn here, how it works, get in front of the right people, review and rate the best matches. This is another cool feature about LinkedIn jobs. Um, you can also boost your posts as your job posting as well if you want to run some ads on LinkedIn to get even more qualified applicants. And 30 million businesses that hire on LinkedIn. So there we go. Definitely the best place to find a qualified candidate if you're hiring. So let me just go back to my job posting for this lead generation specialist. And then once you've created your job, you can manage the job post right here. If you want to edit anything, then you can do that quickly and easily. As you can see, I posted this last night. I've already got 25 applicants and over 100 views. It's a free job post, which means I'm not running any ads on it. There's the job description that I created entirely using ChatGPT. I didn't even edit this at all. I just made the formatting a little bit cleaner, and that's it. You can also fill out screening questions if they must have certain qualifications, and then it will automatically approve or reject them when they're applying for the job and send them over an email if they don't match the criteria. So I can click on View Applicants, and then I can see the qualified candidates right here. So if I click on this guy, I can say, okay, let's rate him as a good fit, maybe, or not a fit. And if you want to open it up to everybody, you just remove those and you can see all of the applicants. So very, very easy to go through and review their resume. If they submitted a resume, you'll see it here. So here's the resume for this guy. It says he's a rock star lead generator for sales. And here's his full resume. So I can review that, send him an email, give him a call if I want to. And then in this case, I would say, yeah, this guy's a good fit. So now I can simply send them over a message and say, hey, would love to schedule a call to discuss your qualifications. And that's pretty much it. So this is one of the best ways that I've found to improve your hiring process. So you simply can write the job description for free in a few seconds using ChatGPT. Come over here, create the job posting on LinkedIn quickly and easily, start getting applicants, and go from there. So I'm just going to keep waiting, and probably in the next day or two, I'll be maxed out on job applicants. I think you can only get about 100 total on the free plan. And then you can also upgrade if you want to boost the post and spend a little bit of money on advertising the job. Then you can do that here as well. So yeah, and it's easy to apply as well. I've got the easy apply button turned on so they can quickly fill out some information, submit their resume, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, that's the best way to create your job description, start hiring on LinkedIn, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos about ChatGPT and lots of other things from here in Thailand. Take care, stay safe, peace.